So, what's up with you, Henry and Harvey? Y'all getting together for the holidays? You did send me an invitation, right?
The holiday season is in full swing here in Southwest Florida.
Absolutely.
You would think having a major hurricane just a few short months ago that maybe Christmas would be canceled this year, but it is certainly not.
And today we are at the Edison Ford Winter Estates, and this place is full of Christmas cheer.
That's right. We're going to show you guys around and show you what's happening here, and then we're going to talk about some other events, light displays, and festivities going on in some of our other favorite cities throughout Southwest Florida.
Right after this. Grab a cup of beer or wine.
I prefer hot chocolate.
Or just your favorite cup of Christmas cheer.
Yeah, while you stroll around the estates and enjoy the light displays.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. We have certainly enjoyed our time here at the Edison Ford Winter Estates. Guys, the light displays are spectacular here. So if you're in the Fort Myers area this holiday season, be sure to check this out. I'm pretty sure they've got this going on until like the first part of January.
And if you're in Cape Coral, check out the Cape Coral Christmas Village at Cape Christian.
Oh yes, that's awesome too. They have snowball fights for kids. If you're in Naples, check out the Magic of Lights display. That is a drive-through light show.
Yes, and then Sarasota, check out Lights in Bloom at Selby Gardens.
Yes, and don't forget about Tampa. If you're in the Tampa area, check out the Winter Village at Curtis Hickson Park. I've heard that they have the only outdoor ice skating rink in Tampa.
Go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel to find out all the events that are going on here in Southwest Florida.
Yes, and have a very Merry Christmas.